Hi, it's Mike again, and today I'm going to help you build an online store, even if you're just a beginner with computers. Once you've made your store, you'll be able to optimize it yourself at any time so that you can appear higher in rankings for Google or other search engines. Today we'll be using the Webnode Online Website Maker because it's extremely easy to use and intuitive. You'll be able to get a professional looking design for your store, and it offers your visitors a unique shopping experience, even from mobile devices. Also, Webnode comes complete with SSL secure protocol to protect your customers' data and is fully compliant with European GDPR rules. Click on the link in the video description below to start making your online store with me. Once you're on the home page, click Get Started. Fill in the registration form. Enter the name of your website, your email address, and a password. You will use the same email address and password to log in and edit your website whenever you want. Now, click the button Register and Create to get started. All templates come with default content to help inspire you while you're building your store. Every element in the template can be customized, and all templates offer great purchase experiences on mobile devices. Templates are organized into categories. Is your favorite template not in the online store category? No worries, you can add the online store function to all templates. Webnode's editor uses 4 types of tools. Some are for customizing the design. Others create and edit the layout of the sections of the website. Some add content like text, images, videos, or forms, and in Pages, here, you can edit the menu of the website. Click on Texts to edit them. With the Text toolbar, you are able to change text format or turn on bold or italics. To modify the size or change color, click on this button. To change the header image, click on the Settings button and then click Add Image. Webnode offers a large collection of free images and videos to use on your website. Click on Upload Images if you want to use your own images from your computer. Choose the one you want, press OK, and then double-click it to add it to your website. Once you're ready, click the Publish button to put your store online. Click on your project's name to see the published version of your site. You will be able to find all product-related settings in Products. Products are organized into collections. To see the collections, click Manage Collections. A collection is a group of products sharing similar properties. A single product can be in multiple collections. Let's add a collection. Click Add Collection. Enter the name of the new collection and press Create. Now, let's assign products to our new collection. For this, we click Assign Products and select all the products we want to add to this collection. Products will be displayed in the order they were added to the collection. To change the order, simply click and drag the product to where you want. To create a new product, we have to go back to the Products window and press Add Product. Enter a product name, final price, and a short description of your product. Click Add Image and Upload Images to select one or more images of your product. Here, you can select which collection to add this product to. You can also show the product is on sale and add the number of this item you have in stock. The number will automatically update when customers purchase that product. In Variants, you can add product variants to offer your products in different sizes, colors, lengths, or any other option you want. Each variant can have separate prices and stock availabilities. Click Create to finish the product creation. If you want to remove a product from your store, you can hide it or delete it by pressing these buttons. To see the products page, click this icon on the right. Webnode allows you to fully customize each product page. You can expand on the information with text and images, add bullets to show features, put videos, or even display testimonials. I'm going to add a portfolio section that I have already created to show you how it works. You can add more elements by clicking on the plus and editing them by double-clicking the element. Now click Change Image if you would like to use a different one. All sections can be edited by clicking on them. Let's add a video to complete our products page. To add a YouTube or Vimeo video, click Video within the Add Content tool. Then, simply paste the video link in this field and press OK. Once it is on your site, resize it by pulling the corners. Customize the menu of your store by clicking Pages. Click Add Page to create a new page for your store. There are multiple layouts to choose from. Choose one, name it, and click Create. You can reorder the pages in the menu by dragging and dropping them within the list. If you want a subpage, click the page name and drag it just a little bit to the right. To hide a page from the website menu but still have it available on your site, simply click here. Let's display our latest products in a slider. Click the black plus, which appears when hovering over the page, and select Product List. In Layout, you will be able to choose how you want your product list to be displayed. Carousel and Slider are good choices for the home page of your store. We can also select which collection to show and choose whether to show a collections filter or not. Go to Settings, then Online Store to adjust how your store works. Under General Settings, you can set the currency, choose whether you would like to display taxes or not, and the email you will use to receive purchase orders. To adjust the rates, click here. It is possible to set different tax rates in case you sell your products in different countries or states. Do you want to offer different shipping options? Here, you can set them up simply by writing a name and a price. Click on these little arrows to change the order they are shown in on the checkout page. Webnode offers the most common payment methods: PayPal, cash on delivery, bank transfers, or credit or debit cards. For card payments, Webnode has set up Stripe or other local card gateway providers. You can set a price for each payment method that will be added to the final total for the customer. As the owner of the store, you will receive all orders by email. You can manage them in your project details page. In a couple of clicks, you'll be able to set the order as paid or fulfilled. To edit your website, go to the Webnode homepage and click Login. Enter your email address and password and click Login. If you forgot your password, click here and follow the instructions to receive a new one. If you need to contact the Webnode support staff or check out the knowledge base, go to your My Projects page and choose the website you have a question about. Click on Menu and then Contact Us. In this video, you've seen how easy it is to make an online store with Webnode. If you haven't started yet, click on the link in the video description to begin. Do you have any questions? Leave me a comment below. If you found this video tutorial useful, click like and subscribe to the channel to receive a notification every time I upload new videos. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tutorial. I look forward to seeing you online soon.